He told the judge he had no money, which he had $70,000 that he put in a bank account.
Ms. Calkins, how much do you make an hour?
$10 an hour.
He makes $20 an hour. And
how do you know this?
Because I have bank statements at my house that I have right here in front of me. He makes deposits every Friday at his banking account.
I make a $50 deposit every Friday.
Hold on, Mr. Calkins. Hold on, wait, because now I'm intrigued. All right, hold on a second.
At this time, the state will call Jody Calkins. Ms. Calkins, why wasn't there any child support ordered in the divorce decree that was from April 22nd, 2021?
Because Matthew Calkins was in Sabine County Jail, and he told the judge he had no money, which he had $70,000 that he put in a bank account.
Ms. Calkins, so the reason why there was no support set in the previous order was because he was incarcerated at the time?
Yes, and said he had no money.
Right. And are you asking the court today to set child support and medical support?
Yes, sir, I am.
All right. What kind of health insurance do you have for your child, JC Calkins?
He has Medicaid.
All right. I have no further questions. I pass the witness.
Call you next week.
All right, guys. Today we are diving into a courtroom hearing that started getting tense almost instantly. A mother shocks the courtroom by claiming her ex lied to a judge about being broke while secretly having thousands of dollars hidden away. What begins as a simple child support case suddenly turns into something much deeper as accusations of hidden money, jail time, and deception start surfacing. And just when things seem straightforward, the judge starts paying very close attention to every word being said.
At this time, the state will call Mr. Calkins. Mr. Calkins, do you have any other minor biological children who are below the age of 18?
No, sir.
Where are you currently working?
Here in Hemphill, Texas.
All right. What do you do for work?
Construction.
Okay. Are you paid hourly?
Yes.
How much do you make an hour?
$10 an hour.
And how many hours do you work on average each week? And how many hours do you work on average each week?
About 40 hours a week, give or take, depending on weather and stuff.
And does your employer provide any health insurance?
No.
And do you have any other sources of income, or is that your only job?
That's my only income.
In this part, the father finally takes the stand and calmly explains his side of the story. He tells the court he works construction, makes only $10 an hour, and works around 40 hours a week depending on weather conditions. At first, everything sounds normal and believable, and the courtroom settles into a routine hearing. But what nobody realizes yet is that this testimony is about to collide head-first with a major accusation that could completely damage his credibility in front of the judge.
I have no further questions for Mr. Calkins.
Calkins, yes, sir.
All right.
I would like to call Ms. Calkins back for one additional question, Your Honor.
Okay.
Ms. Calkins, do you have any safety concerns about your address or contact information being disclosed in any order of the court?
No, sir.
All right. No further questions.
Can I ask some questions about visitation?
Nope.
That's not.
They didn't file a lawsuit, Ms. Calkins, about visitation.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
child.
Okay.
So, no, you can't ask questions about visitation, but I don't mind telling you that I can't address visitation because nobody filed a lawsuit about visitation.
Okay.
The only issue before me today is the child support and the medical support. That's it.
Okay. That's fine.
Ms. Calkins, was there anything else that you did think I needed to know about the case before I made a ruling in regards to the child support and the medical support?
He makes $20 an hour. And
how do you know this?
Because I have bank statements at my house that I have right here in front of me. He makes deposits every Friday at his banking account.
I make a $50 deposit every Friday.
Hold on, Mr. Calkins. Hold on, wait, because now I'm intrigued. All right, hold on a second. Ms. Calkins, do you work for the bank?
No, sir.
How do you have Mr. Wait, just answer my question, okay? Don't keep rambling on.
This is where the entire hearing suddenly changes direction. Right after the father finishes claiming he only makes $10 an hour, the mother interrupts with a bombshell accusation. She tells the judge she has bank statements proving he actually earns much more money. The judge immediately pauses the hearing and becomes visibly interested. Now the courtroom is no longer just about child support payments. It becomes a tense investigation into whether someone may have just lied directly in court.
How do you have access to Mr. Calkins' bank statements?
Because all his stuff is here.
I don't know where here is.
He's at my residence.
Okay, so all of his bank statements come to your house?
As far as I know, they have been, but
Okay,
these
well, hold on,
these
hold
old
on.
statements
Wait, these are old statements from when?
from August of
What year?
20 this year, August 31st of 23.
All right, so you have Mr. Calkins' bank statements. Quit moving around, Miss Calkins. You're making me
yes, sir.
making me sick.
I'm
Okay.
sorry, I had to get up.
It's
and look
okay.
at the paper.
So Mr. Calkins' bank statements come to your house. They're mailed to your house.
Yes, sir.
All right, and you open them.
No, these are some old ones that was on top of the refrigerator.
All right, well, they're not that old, ma'am. If they're from August
Well,
of
I mean, it's just,
23.
I found it on top of the refrigerator.
Mr. Calkins, how did your bank statements get on top of Miss Calkins' refrigerator?
And I don't know how they got opened. You're completely right, sir. I've been living here before August 31st.
Did you happen to leave some mail behind with Miss Calkins?
I didn't take no mail with me.
Okay, so it's possible you left bank statements behind.
Possibly, yes, sir.
Okay. Because you haven't opened any of his bank statements, right, Miss Calkins?
No, sir. It was
That'd be a-
already been. It was his bank statements laying up there on the refrigerator.
All right. Mr. Calkins, is there anything else you think I need to know about this case before I make a ruling?
No, sir.
When did you get out of jail, Mr. Calkins?
July 27th to 22,
So you've been out of jail for what?
a little over a
16
year.
months?
Now the judge starts digging deeper into the situation, questioning both sides carefully about the mysterious bank statements. The mother explains how the papers ended up at her house, while the father struggles to explain how his private documents were left behind. As the details unfold, the judge realizes the two were actually living together until very recently, making the entire situation even more complicated. The tension in the room keeps building because nobody knows exactly what the judge believes at this point.
About that, yes, sir.
Since he's been out of jail, Miss Calkins, have you and Mr. Calkins been living together?
We did at one point, yes, sir.
When did y'all separate?
We
A couple months
separated.
ago.
Hold on, I'll get to you, Mr.
Oh, I'm
Calkins.
sorry.
That's all right. I wasn't specific. That's not your fault. When did y'all separate, Miss Calkins?
In August.
Okay, so you've only been separated a month.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That makes things a little easier. Miss Calkins, are you and Mr. Calkins legally married?
No, sir.
All right, because y'all have the same last name.
Yes, sir.
Why do you have the same last name, Miss Calkins?
When I got to the divorce, it came across pretty quick, and I just
Never mind. I'm sorry. You're good. You got divorced in 2021. You had his name then. Don't worry about it.
Yes, sir. That's fine.
Sometimes I get focused on the issue and I forget where it is I am. Okay.
Yes, sir. That's fine.
All right. Anything further from the state?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Mr. Calkins, is there anything else you think I need to know about this case before I make a ruling?
No, sir.
All right. Child support's $300 a month, medical support's $50 a month, beginning October the 1st of 2023, and every month thereafter until the emancipation date of the child.
Yes, sir.
Court costs are due by Mr. Calkins, but I will give him until March 31st of 2024. How's that?
And what is the amount of the court cost?
No idea, Mr. Calkins. No clue. I'm in 9 different counties, Mr. Calkins. I have no idea what Mr. Clerk's office. from one
When and
county
how
to
would I be
another.
able to find out?
So when I'll sign the order that they send to me and I'll send it back to them, then they'll make a copy of it and send it to you. The AG's office will send it to you. Contained within that order will have the information for the Sabine District Clerk's office. You can
Now, will
call.
I be served, or do they have my address? 'Cause
Well,
I
I
haven't
don't-
set up. I haven't set up a case yet
You haven't set up a
with
case.
the AG's office.
Well, I mean, the address that's going to be in my court order, wherever they served you.
Oh, that was at Sabine County Jailhouse then.
Oh, okay. Do you have a good address on him now, Mr. McNulty? Is
North Texas Street in Hemp Hill.
that right, Mr. Coughlin?
Yes, but there's another address that it could be. There's two possibilities, two different addresses on Texas Street.
Well, I don't want you
One was my
broadcasting.
one was my parole address, and one's my address now. That's what I'm trying to see. I mean, I'm not.
Yeah.
I don't care if anybody else knows my address. I don't.
Okay. I mean, it's just going to be broadcast to the internet. So if you just blurt it out, everybody that watches is going to be able to see it.
But that's fine. It's Texas Street.
That what you got, Mr. McNulty?
Yes, sir. Yes, Judge.
Okay. They have your correct address, Mr. Calkins. So when they send you the order, in the order will have the information about how to contact Sabine District Clerk. You can contact the district clerk and they'll tell you how much you owe them.
Okay.
And then you'll have at least, 6 months from then to pay them. Okay.
After hearing both sides, the judge finally delivers the child support ruling and sets the monthly payments moving forward. But even at the end, the awkward tension doesn't disappear. The conversation suddenly shifts toward addresses, court paperwork, and the uncomfortable reality that personal information could end up online for everyone to see. What started as a routine support hearing turned into a dramatic courtroom exchange, filled with accusations, contradictions, and unexpected twists. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.